Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tata Fox and this is the Tata Fox's Space Train darling. If you don't know, today is Hair Wednesday. Hair Wednesdays. Hair Wednesdays. To the back. Hair Wednesdays. Hair Wednesdays. Welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Tata Fox and as I've already explained, today is Hair Wednesdays. If you don't know where you're at, you better ask somebody because on a Wednesday we talk about 4 things hair. Where to buy hair, what to do with hair, who's a good supplier, where you get supplied, how you style your hair. We don't even know. We're figuring out together. We are on the roll. Okay. So, as you can tell, I've got a head full of rollers. Right? I wanted to style this hair on my head. And I got some hair from a company called Cynosure Hair. Cynosure Hair. Love your hair, show your beauty. They have beautiful packaging, as you can tell. This is the box the hair came in. It came in this box. The box is actually really cute. It pulls out, then the hair comes out in this sleeve. You can bleach the hair, you can color the hair, you can perm the hair. So the style I have is a body wave hair. The hair looks like it's semi pre-plucked. The hair looks semi pre-plucked, but I can't guarantee it. So the company is called CynosureHair.com. They've actually got a website, www.cynosurehair.com. They sent me 24 inches in the natural color. And the hair was a natural body wave. I didn't show you that before, but you guys will get over it. Sorry, I didn't take a picture of the before what the hair looked like. The hair had a body wave, but I wanted to add more volume. So let's see if these curls work it out. I have not cut the lace. As you can tell, the lace is still on the head. I'm gonna need this big ass mirror so I can cut this lace off. The lace is a little bit darker than what I usually go for, but we shall see. I've gone in ahead and I've pre-plucked my own frontal. You can see over here how the frontal has been plucked already. So I'm gonna go in and start cutting this bad boy off. I'm gonna make sure that I don't cut my own fucking hairline because my hairline is sleeping. Don't know when she'll be back. See, it's a bit dark, but that's fine. You know how many times you got hair that's the hair lace that's too dark for our skin tones? Just make it work, darling. Wonderful. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna spray. And we wait. Okay, so now I've put some got-to-be glue. And I'm going to start by putting the lace down in the center. And I'm going to go for my ear tab. And I'm going to put the one side down. Now that the one side is down, I'm going to then pull the other side. So I'm going to try and get as close to the hairline as I can because of this thing. Then I'm going to wait. It's a waiting game, darling. 10 minutes and I'm going to undo this on my head. And we'll see what's happening with the bloody hair helmet. With the magic of YouTube. It's been 10 minutes. So let's start undoing this bad boy. These bad boys. And the state of these curls should tell us what kind of hair this is. Do you know, is it good hair? The hair still feels a bit damp actually. My tip to undoing curls is to actually curl the hair over the finger as you're uncurling it and leaving the hair, trying to leave the hair as intact as possible. So as you're going, you're actually trying to preserve the curls. So I've undone the curls and as you can tell, the curls look amazing. I don't like to look like Goldilocks, and this is another tip that I would tell a lot of girls who put in curlers. They like to leave their hair looking like this. I mean, this is nice for when you're 12. So let's see what happened here. Woo! Right, so okay, so now you've got the hair curled. Like I said, we're not children anymore. We don't leave hair like Goldilocks. So take a comb, take a brush that's wide. This has got a lot of hair in it. A wide toothed brush. Ooh, a wide toothbrush. And start to brush out those curls, guys. I'm sorry. And it's gonna seem like you're getting rid of all the niceness, but you're not. Just brush out them curls. Put in some volume. Do you know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Look at the hair when you brushed out the. Why would you not want your hair to look like this now? Okay, we're not done. We're not done. So, what I sometimes do is I open a line in the center of my head. So because there's curls, even if when you do this, the hair just falls into place. What I was trying to do before I was so rudely interrupted by the amazingness of this hair is cut some bangs in this mouthful. Right? So I give it this. You've got your earpieces down, This is the center of my head. This bit right here. This is the definite center. It's bulky. Standing up, which I can flatten if I wanted to. But this is the center of my wig. So I like when there's a bit of the hair's got a bit of layering. I don't like hair that's dead straight. So in the effort to get that, I then go in, especially to the center, and I start to trim the baby hairs. Trim the fringe. Look at that. So quick. Look at that, bitch. Let's do it on the other side. Anchor. So we start going up and we bring it down. Anchor. And I don't think I did enough on the side, so let's do it again. So, okay, so I've opened the side parting, and I'm gonna take this fringe and I'm gonna see where this fringe sits, and I'm just gonna go in again and cut the bangs. I'm not a professional hairdresser, I just know what I like, okay? And I like bangs. Where I see I need some short hair, I put in short hair. And I can do that on the other side too. To just bring about some dimension to the hair. I know it looks crazy that I'm chopping this hair. I mean, I got so much flack the last time for cutting hair. But look what cutting hair does to the actual hair itself. It gives it life, guys. Now when I push this piece behind my ear, look at the volume that it gets. This piece, look at the volume that it gets. I mean, why wouldn't you cut the... I should actually take this whole part here, open this up like this, and cut. So that even anywhere I go, the hair is... Do you know what I'm saying? Even if I open a line this way, open a line over here, there are bangs all around, all out. It's all about what you like in hair. And see, I can see over here that this hair is too long. It doesn't match the hair that I cut. So just trim it a little bit. We're not cutting the whole hair, guys. Before people come for me, don't cut the hair, don't cut the hair. Ask easy. I want bomb hair. Basically, that's the end product. You can style the hair. The hair looks and feels amazing. You can tell for yourself that this hair is great quality hair. Take that hair, take this ear out. This is too long. Go back into the hair. Spin it around. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. How I create bangs. How I create hair with a volume and luxurious volumizing hair. You don't need to go to a hairdresser sometimes. Sometimes just temper yourself. I stopped going to the hairdresser maybe like 5 years ago. I haven't stepped foot inside the hair salon in over 5 years because I started to trust my own instinct. I was that girl who would walk into the salon and come out upset because I didn't like what she did to my hair. So I started doing my own hair. Guys, it has been a blast creating this look with you. I hope you enjoyed watching me cut, layer it, not a lot, just layer it where I just layer it right in the face, layer it where it's important for you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this video. My name is Tata Fox and this is the Tata Fox Express Train, darling. The Tata Fox Express Train, darling. Make sure to stay tuned. I will see you guys on Friday. Don't forget to get your questions in for Ask Miss Fox. I will be shooting a new video soon for Ask Miss Fox. Go to the community page, ask your questions. You might get your question answered. I love you guys. You guys are the bomb done.